Okay, we're going to be working today on 6.2a PMM 71. This is one of those riddle sheets. We're trying to figure out, why did the baby pig eat so much? All right, they have find the unit price of each item described, round each price to the nearest cent. Obviously, we're rounding to money. And write the letter of each exercise above its answers. So let's go ahead and do this. So 5 pounds of potatoes are $2.19. How much is a pound? So I'm just going to drop this in. So we're looking for 1 pound. So we're just going to multiply diagonally and then divide. So we're really just going to take 1 times 219, of course, is 219. So we're just going to take 2.19 and we're going to divide it by 5. And we are going to get, take a look at that. This is 43 cents. Is there enough to call it 44 cents? Yeah. Now let me just put the rules up here. So if it's 5 or if it's greater than or equal to 5, we're going to round up. If it's less than or equal to 4, we're going to round down. Some people remember it by saying 5 to the sky, 4 to the floor. So this would be 44 cents. We're looking for 44 cents down here, and here it is right here, 44 cents. We're going to put an S in this dude right here. All right, let's do another one. 60 ounces of honey for $4.89. So we want to know what 1 ounce of honey is. So just multiply and divide. So it's just 4.89. 4.89 divided by 60 ounces. Okay, this is 8 cents here. 8 cents, there's 2 decimals. Is there enough there to call it 9 cents? No, not enough. Do we have 8 cents down there anywhere? Let's double check. Here it is, over in the corner, 8 cents. So that becomes an A. Okay, and that's the way you work this one. Let's just take a look down here. Here, it's 14 ounces for 99 cents. How much per ounce? This one here, I can't really make a box out of that, so I'm just going to make my own box here. 14 OZ is 0.99. We want to know how much 1 ounce is. Bingo, bango. So it's just going to be 1 times 0.99. Of course, it's just 0.99. So it's going to be just 0.99 divided by 14. Whoa, we have 7 cents and we look behind it. Is there enough there to call it 8 cents? No, 7 cents. And we've got 7 cents down here. So 7 cents is going to become this letter O. And then this one here, I'm going to run out of room, so I'm just going to put it over here. 64 OZ is $3.10. We want to know how much, 1 ounce is. So you're always going to be leaving the money empty on these ones here. So you really don't need to do the 1 times 310. It's just a way to organize your thinking here. So I'm just going to do 310, 3.10. I'm going to divide that by 64. Let's see. It looks like I have 4 cents. Here's my 4 cents. Is there enough there to call it 5? You betcha. 4 cents. We have 5 cents down there. Here it is, 5 cents right here. It's going to be an F. 5 cents. So 0.05. I should have put this in 0.07. I should have actually written these in here. This one here was 0.44. And honestly, the way you write this is $0.44. So I should do it right. And this one here, we got the dollar sign there too. That one was down here. This will be 0.08. I'm just going to check that one more time for you. Make sure I've got the right answer there. So 4.89. 4.89 divided by 60. Yeah, that's 0.80, 0.08, 0.08. So, all right, thanks, folks. Enjoy. It's kind of a fun puzzle.